So today we're going to demonstrate how to collect a post-harvest water sample. When I say post-harvest water, we mean any water that contacts the crop either during harvest or after harvest. So this can be if produce is being washed or cooled. Any water that contacts our Zone 1 surfaces. When I say Zone 1, I mean product contact surfaces. So on this packing line, it would be water that's used to clean this. Also any water used to make ice or for hand washing. So we want to collect our sample and figure out what is coming out of this hose. So we're going to sample the water at the source where it's coming out of the faucet.
The first thing we did to reduce risk was we washed our hands for 20 seconds and then put on clean gloves. Since we're doing a food safety water test, there's one unique thing you should know about this test kit.
So usually sample collection bottles will have either a white powder or a tablet, which is sodium thiosulfate, and it's used to bind chlorine to prevent any additional antimicrobial reactions within your sample collection bottle.
The first thing we're going to do is unhook the hose. Next, we'll take an alcohol prep pad, and we're going to work it around on the inside, and that's just to help remove any debris, reduce any chances of accidental contamination. Once we've done that, we'll let the water run for about 30 seconds. This is also just to help to get any debris out and make sure that we're getting a representative sample of our water source. Okay, it's been about 25 seconds. So after 30 seconds, you'll carefully open the bottle and make sure that you don't get your fingers inside of it, and then you'll fill the water up to the fill line. Once you do that, you'll close it securely, and we've already filled in a label. You'll put the label on there. It has your name, where you took it, the date, the time, and then we'll get it cold. We've already called the lab and let them know that we're bringing in a water sample today, and now we'll get it to the lab just as quick as we can.